ISO 15022 is primarily known for MT messages, while ISO 20022 refers to MX messages. These are international standards for financial messaging. ISO 15022 uses a proprietary, text-based, and highly structured format. MT messages are a common example. Limited data richness can lead to truncation of crucial information and inefficiencies, often requiring multiple messages. ISO 20022 features a modern syntax based on XML, allowing for better structured and richer data. A single ISO 2022 message can carry up to 10 times more data than an MT message, enhancing the level of detail. Flexibility is a key advantage of ISO 20022. Its XML model allows